What's up guys, I'm Nia and thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here and you would like to learn quick and easy ways on how to clean and organize your home, or if you need a little bit of inspiration for your everyday life, then make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below as well as the bell notification so you never miss out on a future video. And today we are going to be deep cleaning my kitchen. So I'm going to show you guys how I get all the grease off of the cabinets, tackle that stovetop, and really just give my kitchen a nice deep clean. If you enjoyed today's cleaning video, go on and give it a thumbs up and also comment down below and let me know your thoughts on today's video. So this particular day, I just got back from the gym, and typically after working out, I have so much energy because I just the blood is rushing through my veins. So I decided I was going to tackle the kitchen, and would you guys believe this is actually the second time that I'm cleaning my kitchen this particular day. I ended up trying HelloFresh and I really did enjoy it, but I'm a messy cooker, so the kitchen ended up being a hot old mess after I was done with cooking. So now I'm just going in and cleaning the whole thing up. Like I mentioned, I cooked a HelloFresh recipe and I really liked it. Let me know in the comments which recipes you guys really like. I am doing, I believe, the standard plan where we get 2 or 3 meals a week. So I am all for trying different things, but I would love to get you guys' suggestions.
To be there and baby dance the night away, I let my head down.
So while some of the dishes are soaking, I'm going to tackle this stovetop. You can clearly see it is a disaster. So I'm going to be going in with this new cleaner that I haven't actually used before, and it's the Stainmaster cooktop cleaner. And guys, I really enjoyed it. I'm going to see if I can find the link to it and leave it down in the description bar for you guys, because I thought I was going to literally be scrubbing this stovetop and everything came off so easily. It was actually something that I had found underneath my sink. I had purchased it a while ago and I guess must have forgot about it. How often does that happen to you guys? I feel like we're always caught up in the new cleaning products or new things when really some of the gems that we have are already in our homes.
I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws.
I thought I was done with washing dishes, but it wasn't until I packed up the leftovers that I realized we didn't even have enough room to put that stuff into the refrigerator. So what I'm gonna do is go in and take out any food that had expired and then wash out those containers. And instead of doing another round of washing dishes by hand, I just don't have the time for that, to be honest. So I decided to add them into the dishwasher.
Water, baby, kick your your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 dinners and rings and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can.
Now it's time to tackle these cabinets. So I'm going in with this Easy Off, which is a really great kitchen degreaser. And we had a bunch of grease just at the bottom of the cabinet. So I'm going in and giving that a deep clean. Honestly, I can't even remember the last time I did this, but I could not stand looking at it any longer. So I went in and just hit every single cabinet top to bottom, guys.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time. If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone. But you only get a sip, so show me a good time. I don't care.
So what were you guys up to this weekend? How was your Father's Day? Did you guys do anything special? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you guys did. For us, we kept it really casual for Father's Day. We kind of just ordered in the same way we did on Mother's Day, and then the Saturday before was Riley's party. So we had a pretty packed full weekend, so we figured Sunday was definitely a relaxed day.
Written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one.
If you made it this far, you are absolutely amazing, and I so appreciate you hanging out with me and watch me tackle this messy kitchen. Go on and leave a star emoji down in the comment section, because I definitely want to go down and thank you guys personally.
Keep rambling on, I sound so cliche.